Whisper Dunes is one of my favorite neighborhoods in Panama City Beach, and today I've got a fantastic house to show you. My name is Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. First, a little bit about Whisper Dunes. It's in a fantastic location, close to 30A, Pier Park, the beaches, and even the new hospital site. The HOA maintains the landscaping. You don't even have to do your own yard, and it has a fantastic pool amenity. So let's go take a look inside. But before that, remember, if you or anyone you know is selling real estate in 2023, make sure they're working with someone that does video and does video marketing and does video advertising. It's super important. All right, let's go inside and take a look around. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, if you want to set up a showing, give me a call, shoot me a text, or if you have questions about selling, same thing. My number is 850-527-0221. Again, I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Thanks for watching.